Why? Why? Tell me why! This is impossible!
Today I'm going to tell you a painful truth about your cat. Your cat can't taste sweet. At all. Zero. So if you hand it a piece of cake and it just doesn't care, that's not because it doesn't love you. It's because it's biologically impossible for it to care. Your cat is honestly more upfront than some people in your life. At least it's not pretending to be interested. It's just not. Today we're getting into the genetics behind this, which animals are affected, and how this explains a lot more about your cat than you'd think. Get comfortable. This'll take a minute. Here's the truth. Back in 2005, a geneticist named Sha Li, working at the Monell Chemical Senses Center in Philadelphia, proved this. Cats are missing a 247 base pair chunk of the TAS1R2 gene, which means the gene literally can't build half of the sweet receptor. They found the same broken gene in tigers and cheetahs. So this isn't just your cat's personal issue, it's the whole cat family's shared fate. And actually, back in the 1970s, an earlier Monell study already showed lions, tigers, leopards, and jaguars were just as indifferent to sugar. The likely reason is evolutionary. Cats are obligate carnivores. They never needed to go looking for anything sweet in the wild. Over time, they stopped using this gene, and it just broke. So, is it only cats? Nope. Another Monell-led team, Peihua Zhang and Gary Beauchamp, published a study in PNAS looking at 12 carnivorous species. From sea lions to hyenas, 7 of them had the same broken gene. Here's the best part. They tested an Asian small-clawed otter and a spectacled bear. The otter's gene was broken, no interest in sugar at all. The bear's gene was intact. It went straight for the sugar. But here's the funny part. Pandas technically come from a carnivore lineage, but they eat bamboo, and their sweet taste still works fine. Nature sets rules and then forgets its own rules sometimes. Kinda like someone who starts a diet and quits on day 1. Dogs, though, are a totally different story. They taste sweet just fine. So the difference between your cat and your dog isn't just personality, it's a real genetic gap. To test this myself, I gave a cat a tiny bit of sweet cream. I waited and waited, nothing. It sniffed it. Zero interest. Okay, it's not that dramatic. Your cat loves you. It just doesn't love your cake. So can cats taste anything at all? Yes. Cats are actually great at detecting bitter and sour, especially bitter, which protects them from eating anything toxic. So your cat is numb to compliments but way too sensitive to criticism. The classic, can't take a compliment but gets offended by everything type. Cats also have an especially strong sense for umami, the meat and protein taste. So, the way your cat looks at your chicken versus the way it looks at your cake? Night and day. Since your cat doesn't want this cake, I guess I'll eat it. At least my sweet receptors still work. Might be the one area where I beat my own cat. So bottom line, your cat doesn't love you for your cake, but at least it's honest about it. That's more than some people. If you liked this kind of video, hit subscribe. Don't be like your cat, ignoring me. One tap is all it takes. See you in the next one.
Hi! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next videos.